מה את אומרת, אליאן?
Are you sure you don't want to vote?
למה את שואלת אותי?
Because just didn't know if you don't want to vote, you don't have to. It's really fun. It's just one short thing.
ומה עושים שמה?
We can read stories while we're waiting in line.
No, but you told me before that you go somewhere and it's a short...
Okay. We only can give the cards. We put the card in the basket and we pick a lady or a man and we give him the paper and he talks and he says if you're on the list or not.
And then what do?
On the end of it, you go back home. Well, it's a short one. It's just one thing.
Mm-hmm. And how do you know all of that?
Because I went with Daddy voting.
Ah, okay. Who did you vote for?
For the bald man with the overhead.
The bald man with what?
With the overhead.
With the overhand, okay. So, do you think I should vote?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.